po ay Psalm 9, verse 11 to 20 po. Verse 11 po, sing praises to the Lord and throne in Zion. Proclaim among the nations what he has done. Verse 12, for he who avengeth blood remembers, he does not ignore the cry of the afflicted. Verse 13, O Lord, see how my enemies persecute me. Have mercy and lift me up from the gates of death. Verse 14, that I may declare your praises in the gates of the daughter of Zion and they rejoice in your salvation. Verse 15, the nations have fallen to the pit they have dug. Their feet are caught in the net they have hidden. Verse 16, the Lord is known by his justice. The wicked are scorned by the work of their hands. Verse 17, the wicked return to the grave, all the nations that forget God. Verse 18, but the needy will not always be forgotten, nor the hope of the afflicted ever perish. Verse 19, arise, O Lord, let not man triumph, let the nations be judged in your presence. Verse 20, strike them with terror, O Lord, let the nation know they are suffering. O yun po ang ating Panginoon sa pagkakas ng kanyang